Okay, let's create another version of a dragon in this volume. Okay, of course, we need 2 balloons here in this dragon. Okay, one is blue, which has 4 inches allowance, and the other is 5 inches allowance. Okay, first things first, just create a small 1-inch bubble here for the dragon's mouth and put it together. Okay, again, just create 2 1-inch bubbles. Put it together like this. Okay, so we just created 2 1-inch bubbles, and after that, this time twist these 2 bubbles like this, and like so. So this is the mouth of our dragon here. Okay, now leave 2 inches for the face of our dragon, and after that, create a teddy bear twist here for the eyes of our dragon. Small twist, small loop twist, excuse me, and one more loop twist here, just like that. All right. So we're finished for the eyes of our dragon here. After that, create 3 inches for the horn of our dragon. 3 inches. And another 3 inches. Okay. Put it together as a loop. Just like that. Alright. So now we have the head of our dragon. Okay, now moving on to our next part. Create 1 inch for the neck and create 2 inches here for the arm of our dragon. Another 1-inch bubble here and create another 2-inch bubble here. Okay. Now, so we have here an extra bubble here, and we will connect this orange balloon for the tail of our dragon. But before we do that, we need to minimize the excess air here. Okay? By poking the balloon like this. We need to leave. Okay, we need to okay. I think that's enough. Okay, now. So we have the body here. Now we need to create 2-inch bubbles here. Like this. Like this. Okay, so now put it together as a loop. Just like that. Okay. Now connect the blue and the orange. This will serve as the body. Okay. Connect it. Just connect this balloon. Just like that. Now, of course, don't forget to tie it up like this. I think that's enough. Okay. Extra lock. Alright. now. So we have the body, and lastly, the tail. Because as you notice, in legend stories, the dragon has a very long tail. So that's it. So we have a dragon with a long tail. Okay, that's it. Hope you like it.